Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about starting up a project process. In this video, let us look at directing a project process. The purpose of directing a project process is to enable the project board to be accountable for the project success by making key decisions and exercising overall control while delegating day-to-day management of the project to the project manager. Objectives of directing a project process. The objective of directing a project process is to ensure that there is an authority to initiate a project, there is an authority to deliver the project's product, having management directions and controls which are provided, corporate program management or the customer has interface to the project, to provide authority to close the project, plans for realizing the post-project benefits as managed and reviewed. The directing a project process is triggered by the request to initiate a project. It does not cover day-to-day activities of the project. Basically, project board manages this by exception, which needs to be established two-way flow of information, and project board should provide unified guidance to the project manager. This process should ensure continued business justification and mechanism for assurance, and project board should provide formal advice and guidance to the project manager during the life of the project. Directing a project process has 5 activities, that is authorize initiation, authorize the project, authorize the stage or exception plan, give a doc direction, and authorize project closure. Authorize initiation activity is an activity where formal approval for initiation of the project is provided by project board. During authorize the project activity, an authorization is provided by project board to project manager to formally start delivering and managing the project. During authorize the stage or exception plan, the project board provides authorization based on the request to start the next stage of the project, and also approval or authorization during exception which is raised by a project manager. Project board would give ad hoc direction basically to ensure modification of a scope or the stopping project itself. This may be because various different scenarios of the project or maybe a business scenarios. The last activity, authorize project closure, is during the last stage of the project where project board provides the authorization for the project closure. To summarize, in this video, we discuss the purpose, objective, and context of directing a project process. In the next video, let us look at initiating a project process.